Peace be with all of us. Dear Mr. and Mrs. Lecturer, the Honorable Chairperson and Chief Executive. Let us give thanks to God Almighty because of His heart and grace that we are still able to gather in this place. First of all, I would like to thank you for being given the opportunity to deliver my speech on young generation cares for the environment. All of my friends, as the younger generation, we must be more and enthusiastic in preserving in the environment because the environment has an important influence in our daily lives. For our environment is clean and comfortable, then we will feel more calm and comfortable doing daily activities. And vice versa, if the environment around us looks uncomfortable, tends to be messy and a lot of garbage, then the activities we do will be disturbed and uncomfortable. Therefore, we as human must be self-aware that the environment is where we depend for our lives. From childhood until we grow up like this, we are always taught through our trust in its space. Always reminded, don't leader, but what do we do? Still don't care even about our own use trust. In fact, if we can maintain and preserve the environment around us properly, even trust can provide greater benefit for us. Therefore, as the younger generation, let us improve ourselves to always maintain and care about what is in the environment around us. Moreover, recently there has been a lot of environmental damage, and especially forest fire caused by the hands of irresponsible people. Soon the rainy season will also occur. If the rainy season, floods usually occur, and the government is always blamed for not being able to handle it. Even though is it the people themselves who usually clog and waterways by littering. As a young generation who cares about the environment, we should have a role to think about how to prevent this from happening again, or at least to keep it from happening again and not increasing. Even small things that we can only do, such as educating the public about the importance of the environment, or doing 3R, like reuse and recycle. The problem cannot be solved immediately, but at least is given a good effect day after day. Systems in the environment are closely related and bound to one another. If one part of us is damaged, then the other part will also feel an consequence. And for the example, if someone is doing illegal logging in the forest, then in the dry season there will be drought because there is no water supply. Preserve the environment as gratitude to the Almighty creators, and take advantage of the environment without destroying it, and let's take care of the earth together. That's all for me, and more of or less. Sorry, if there are wrong words.